Hi, in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to boot into your BIOS in the Windows 11. So the first thing that you'd like to do is just go and open your PC. This contains the Windows 11. Of course, if you're a Windows 10 user, you can just go into your settings and upgrade into Windows 11 right now for free. Of course, the upgrade from 10 into 11 will not delete any personal files, only documents, any apps from your PC, so don't worry about this side. And of course, you can run the installation of Windows 11 into the background of your PC if you want to keep using it in the meanwhile. Of course, once the download finish or installed, you will be notified to restart or to reboot your PC. And when you do that, you'll find yourself with the Windows 11 ready to use. Of course, you will even have a recovery point if you want to go back into your Windows 10 whenever you want. If you're facing some issues, as an example, which is not most likely to happen, or if you just like the Windows 10, but I bet when you get used to Windows 11, you will even like it much better. So of course, if you want to boot into your BIOS, there's two options on the Windows 11. Of course, there's the option of just go to your start menu and actually go restart your PC. And once your PC shut down and then it's restarting, make sure to spam the F12 key and the delete key both at the same time on your keyboard. Of course, some PCs will just the delete keys will work for them, and some PCs will the F12 keys just will work for them. But it depends from each PC to another. So I don't know what type of PC you have. So that's why you'll have to spam them both in case whatever button you have, and then you will both or you will boot into your BIOS. Of course, there is even the advanced startup option. You can just go and open your settings with the Windows I option, and of course, just go into this find settings and type recovery. Here, go into recovery options, and once you are here, make sure to go into this recovery options into this advanced startup and make sure to restart now. This will restart your device to change startup settings, including startup from a disk or USB drive. That means it will open your BIOS and boot into it. So this will be actually for this tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you guys for watching and goodbye.